Guys, guess what came in the mail? This is how it looks. This is how it's strapped. Okay, so this is it. I got a package that came in, and I'm just going to unbox it now. From the picture you can even see what it's all about, see? And so this is how the front looks. I'm just gonna go ahead to take this off. But this is so hard to unbox. Let's see. Okay, so it's actually one-way. Look at the pipes. Yay! This is something I've been waiting for like forever. It's actually a shower bath. Also, this one came with like a towel or something. And there's the pipe. There's the belt. There's a hook. And there are some screws. So this is it. It's actually collapsible. So I'm going to set it up and I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, I checked now. There is absolutely no manual. They only have pictures here, so it's up to you to figure out how to assemble it. And after so much work, we finally figured it out. I'm just going to lay this carton down here. Now, so the shampoo basin is like so. It's actually collapsible like that. So this is how it came, and then you can just push it down and then it extends. So this is the part that comes to the neck. I already assembled this one off camera. So you see this part here, you'd have to take it through the hole. Let me show you. Just so much work fixing it in. So anyway, understand how it is. You'd have to put this one in through this hole to go back that way on both sides. And then this part, I think, is for like a neck rest or something like that. Like this one, it goes in here, and then this one goes in here. I think why it's like that is just for it to be steady while it's on the neck, you know. So you can adjust it to the neck size of the person. Like you can make it wider, like so, or make it even smaller. So that's what that one is for. Now this is the belt. It goes round. So I apologize for the baby sounds at the background, guys. So anyways, so this one is the belt. It goes to the back and then just snap it in like that, you know, like so. I'm just going to sit down and do a little bit of a demo and then you can see. So this pipe that comes with it, this one that has something around this area goes down into your sink, while this one comes in here, and you can even extend it. Like if your sink was far away, look at that, you can extend it, see? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to extend it yet. I kind of love the sound. So anyway, just push it in. This way to secure it. I'm really worried, like in the future, this plastic area, I hope it doesn't snap because it's very, very soft. So I will still keep you guys updated on how long it lasts when I start using it. And then it came with this earplugs. I think it's just to help water not to get into the ear. So just only 2. And it also came in with this towel. Very, very soft, very, very lovely, I tell ya. You know, but for me, because mostly I do a lot of clays, masks, and herbs, I may not be able to use this one, you know. So, and it also came with this hook. I think it's where you're supposed to hang the towel after you finish washing it or something like that, you know. So there's no manual. We're just going to go with what we have. So I'm just going to do a little demo so you see how it is when I put it on. So this is me now. I'm just gonna put this on like so. I hope you can see me. Okay, so this is it. have it hooked up already here, and then see this one is around here. You strap it to this side and okay. So I think I finally got it in. This is how it looks. I hope you guys can see. This is how it looks. This is how it's strapped. I like it because you just put it like so. You just wash your hair and all that. So, guys, that's it. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video, and I'll keep you posted on how long this lasts me, because my worry now is this soft part of the plastic. I just hope it doesn't rip up. Take care. So this is how it is. You can just put your hair and wash it. Very easy to use, very easy. And then that's the strap. So it goes. Very comfy. No need to even bend your head backwards. Thank you so much, Yabaka, for letting us use you as a model. So that's it, guys. I already assembled this one off camera, so if you notice, there's a part here. Yeah. And then this one goes in here. That one is full. Now this is the belt. It goes round. So I apologize for the baby sounds at the background, guys.